Before you buy a mirror dashcam, please watch the full video to know which product is the best. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best mirror dashcams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model delivers the best video quality, smart features, and overall value for your money. Whether you want crystal clear 4K recording, better rear visibility, advanced driver assistance, or reliable 24/7 parking protection, this list has been carefully researched to help you choose the right mirror dashcam with confidence. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. AZDOME PG17 2CH Mirror. The AZDOME PG17 is a feature-rich mirror dashcam with a large 12-inch touchscreen that replaces your standard rearview mirror. It records in sharp 4K resolution, includes built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, supports voice commands, and offers reverse parking assistance. Its wide display also helps reduce blind spots while providing a more modern driving experience. Review highlights. The PG17 delivers excellent value for drivers looking to upgrade their vehicle with a large touchscreen mirror and dependable recording performance. Its voice control and parking features make everyday driving safer and more convenient. Pros: 4K front recording, large 12-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, voice command support, reverse parking assist. Number 4. T860 Plus Mirror Dashcam. The T860 Plus mirror dashcam features a unique detachable front camera that simplifies installation while delivering 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. It includes GPS, WDR technology, parking assistance, and a 64MB memory card right out of the box. Review highlights. The T860 stands out for its easy installation and outstanding image quality. The detachable camera design makes it an excellent option for drivers who want a premium setup without a complicated installation process. Pros: 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, detachable front camera, 3x zoom rear camera, GPS built-in, 64MB memory card included. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Max Mirror. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max is a premium mirror dashcam equipped with Sony Starvis 2 IMX6078 front and IMX335 rear image sensors. It records in 4K plus 2.5K resolution and features a large 12-inch mirror display. Additional features include color night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, ADAS, blind spot detection, and an included OBD hardwire kit. Review highlights. The P12 Pro Max delivers exceptional image quality and advanced safety technology. With premium sensors, intelligent driver assistance, and outstanding nighttime performance, it's an excellent choice for drivers seeking maximum protection. Pros: Sony Starvis 2 front sensor, 4K front recording, ADAS and blind spot detection, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 128MB memory card included. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror. The Pelsee S12 Pro combines a sleek mirror design with premium recording capabilities. It features a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, 4K front recording, 1080p rear backup camera, ADAS, color night vision, voice control, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Review highlights. The S12 Pro offers outstanding video clarity, reliable night performance, and responsive smart features. Its combination of premium hardware and user-friendly software makes it one of the strongest mirror dashcams available. Pros: Sony Starvis 2 sensor, 4K front recording, color night vision, voice control, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Number 1. WOLFBOX G850 Mirror. The WOLFBOX G850 is a flagship smart mirror dashcam featuring a large 12-inch display, 4K front recording, 1080p rear camera, built-in GPS, voice control, and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. It also includes wide dynamic range technology for improved image quality in difficult lighting conditions. Review highlights. The G850 delivers an outstanding balance of premium video quality, intelligent features, and ease of use. Its responsive touchscreen, dependable recording performance, and excellent visibility make it one of the best mirror dashcams for everyday driving and long road trips. Pros: 4K front and 1080p rear recording, large 12-inch smart mirror display, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, voice control support, WDR technology for better image quality, 64MB memory card included. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, night vision performance, smart features, ease of installation, parking protection, and overall value, the WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dashcam is the best overall mirror dashcam of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.